Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion. Let's be honest, only bags so far. I post video every Friday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, please subscribe, hit notification bell and let's enjoy bags together. I'm very excited for this unboxing video today. You'll already know from the title what bag it's going to be. And to be honest with you, I've already opened it and used the bag a couple of times. However, I still want to unbox that in front of you guys to show you some packaging, what inside there, all of his dust bags and everything. And also I'm going to give a quick review on this bag and talk about what fits, my favorite test with my combo of essentials, and also show you some watch shots how I wear this bag. Without further ado, we are moving to the box. From the box, you already can see that I purchased the bag from matchesfashion.com, my favorite website. Majority of my luxury purchases are coming from the matches.com. I love everything about this website, but mostly their interface, collections, and how speedy their delivery. But I'm not sponsored by them. Okay, let's open it. Dun dun dun. As always, we have a little note here who did the packaging. And we are straight into the beautiful Saint Laurent box. I love when the bags are coming in those beautiful boxes. And here Saint Laurent is not disappointing. Really nice, good quality. Inside the box we have beautiful, luxurious dust bag. Really nice, good quality dust bag made of cotton. And now it's time to present the bag. Ta-da! Beautiful Saint Laurent Loulou puffer toy bag. I already own Saint Laurent Loulou toy bag, just a regular Loulou, and I always wanted to have a puffer version. I was in between several sizes because that comes into the medium, small and toy size. For ages I was looking into the small size. I thought that would be the best bag for myself. And then I tried the regular Loulou in small size and I realized that it's actually way too big for me. You know how I am a massive fan of the mini micro bags. The smaller, the better for me. That's why when I find out that the puffer bag comes in a toy size, I just wanted to try it straight away. Why puffer version? Because how tactile, soft, squishy puffer version is. The regular Loulou is quite puffy as well, however it doesn't have that cushiony soft feeling. I'm definitely going to do the comparison video between the regular toy Loulou and the puffer toy Loulou. That video 100% will come. However, today I'm going to talk about just this beautiful puffer version. As I already mentioned in the video about the regular Loulou toy bag, and I'm going to leave a link below if you're interested to watch, this series of bags were named after the Yves Saint Laurent muse of long time, Loulou de la Finesse. This series is one of the most popular on the market. So many people have that bag and I'm one of those people. And now I do have two versions. Loulou toy regular bag and Loulou toy puffer bag. Okay, let's have a look what we have here. The first thing that I really like about my black color with a gold hardware, that the gold hardware is not too shiny. When I was looking into this bag on the website, I was in between the pink version, the beige version and the black one. And I'm like, which one to choose? I'm not a super friend to the neutral colors, to the light colors. I'm always struggling with some sort of color transfer and it happens to me really quickly. The pink one looked really cool, but it was a very bright, kind of like a Barbie pink. And I wasn't sure if it's going to fit my, not just the summer clothes, but I wanted to wear this bag all through the year. And then the black one. The only thing that stopping me at that point that I already have my toy regular Loulou bag in black color with a black hardware as well. What I was thinking at that point, that unfortunately I'm not using my Loulou toy bag very often. If I fell in love with this one, with a puffer version, then I would be able to sell the regular version, which I think, to be honest with you, after using this bag already a couple of times, that's what I'm going to do. As I said, I thought the hardware, the gold hardware, is going to be quite shiny, and that's what putting me off when I was looking into this bag on the website, and that's why I was contemplating for quite a while. When I pulled the trigger and I received the bag, I was pleasantly surprised that the hardware is kind of actually more brassy, more subtle gold, like an aged gold, than a shiny gold, and I really like that about this. We have also here a magnet closure. Bam, bam, bam. Really nice, very smooth. I don't like when the magnet closure is too weak or too strong, when you have to pull some effort to open it up. No, here I would say it goes really smooth and nice. Also, we have a leather interior inside and strap. I'm always fan of removable and adjustable straps, and here you would say no, but look at that one is not removable and we don't see any adjustable holes. And when I received the bag, I actually was a bit disappointed, because when I was wearing it crossbody with this default length, it was a bit too long for me. I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, so I'm pretty small, and the default length was a bit too long to my liking. I thought at first, the way the strap is attached to the bag, I thought the strap is going to be removable. I thought we were easily could do like that, you know, and pull the strap out. Unfortunately, it's not possible to do, or I haven't figured out how to do that yet. But what I can see just now, the anchor is a bit too big and the holes are a bit too small for me to pull the strap out. I figured out how I can adjust this strap. You can do a little knot here, which will reduce the length of the strap. You can do that only on one of the chains ends or both ends, and that will reduce the length of the strap significantly. When I figured out that actually increased the value of this bag and my interest significantly. I was like, oh my god, you actually, because the strap is pretty long, so the options how you can tie the knot, really quite a few options there. I love it, absolutely love it. I start playing with tying those knots and reducing the length of the strap to find the perfect length for myself. What else do we have here? Inside, like I usually say, one big hole. So unlike regular Loulou toy bag, it doesn't have any compartments. One big hole, and to be honest with you, this is what I prefer because it increases capacity of the bag significantly. Then we have a tiny little card holder slots on the one side, and on the other side we have a zipped pocket with a matching gold hardware as well. Then we have a leather Saint Laurent branding, gold embossed Saint Laurent branding here as well. And inside the bag, inside the zipped pocket, we have a little leather emblem saying made in Italy and the manufacturer identification code as well. Flap inside has a leather. The main lining is made of cotton, very similar to the dust bag cotton. If we're going back to outside of the bag, no back pocket here, no fit at the bottom, and then beautiful gold hardware Saint Laurent logo on the front with a leather detailing on the strap. I don't know why, for some reason I expected Saint Laurent on the back of the leather, like gold embossing, but there is nothing here, just a leather detail on the strap. Another thing that I really wanted to cover is the leather. It's 100% lambskin leather. outside and inside the flap as well. It's very tactile, soft, delicate. It feels very luxurious. When I have this bag in my hands, I literally don't want to let it go. Quilting create this cushiony, squishy, squashy, very tactile feeling, and I'm a sucker for those things. You know that from my Bottega Veneta padded cassette. Lambskin leather is a very delicate leather, as I said already, and that's why I will have to watch this bag in the sense of wear and tear. I usually don't baby my bags. Bags are there for wear, not for display, but with this bag I'm going to be a little bit more careful, just to keep that pristine look of the lamb leather for the longer, because from what I know already, I'm going to use that bag a lot. I love it already so much. And I think it's time to move on to what fits test. I'm going to test the capacity of this beautiful Saint Laurent Loulou puffer toy bag. And I have a combo of my essentials. We will start with a ebook, or it just reminds me that I need to charge it. Then phone. I've got the iPhone Pro Max 60 centimeters long. Both of them easily go in there. Card holder. Nowadays I don't use the purse anymore at all. It's usually card holders with me. Sunglasses. Voila, everything goes in there. Keys. Lipstick. AirPods. Going on the back of the bag in the zipped pocket. And let's try to close it. Yep, perfect. And I can see that we still have a little bit of space on the top or in the card holder slots for tiny items. I'm pleasantly surprised with this capacity, and that's another feature which I really like about this bag. And now it's time to show you how I wear Saint Laurent Loulou puffer toy bag. To remind you, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear a size 10 UK. As usual, I start with my favorite way to wear any bags is a crossbody. As I already mentioned, because of those tiny little knots that you can create on the chain strap, you can adjust the length of the strap and pull it up or lower it down to your liking. Then it's also a left or a right shoulder. Also, you can tuck the strap inside the bag and wear the bag as a little clutch bag. And I come up how you can modify this bag is a kind of like a top handle bag. I haven't tried it yet to wear that way. However, you can do something like that, creating a cute top handle bag which you can wear in your hands or a crook of your arm. To conclude for today's video, I just want to say that I purchased this bag very recently, but I'm already madly in love with it, and I'm already using it so much. There is so many beautiful qualities that I just couldn't let this bag go. First of all, the thing that I figured out that the strap can be adjusted even for my small height. Beautiful, delicate, tactile leather and this squishy, squashy feeling, which I'm a sucker for. Really great capacity. You've seen that in the What Fits test because of the one big hole inside without any compartments. And just a universal, versatile style, and just how many ways you can wear that makes this bag one of my best bag companions. I hope for the long while, but it will all depend on the wear and tear, which I'm 100% going to share with you in a year, couple of years, I promise. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit thumbs up, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!